Hi student, let's start exercise number 7.1. Question number 1. Question number 1 is in a quadrilateral ABCD. This is a quadrilateral ABCD, A, B, C and D. We have given that AC, this AC side, AC is equals to AD. Okay. And AB, show that triangle ABC is congruent to ABD, and it is given that AB bisect angle A. This AB is bisect angle A. You know what is bisector? Angle bisector. अगर ये AB angle A को bisect कर रहा है तो we can say this angle CAB is equal to angle DAB. Or you can write number 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Right? See, you know that I have introduced you the criterias. You can congruent any true triangles by using any of the criteria, and you know that for any criteria we need minimum 3 element, isn't it? So children, always keep in your mind कि out of that 3 element, usually 2 elements you will get from the given. जो आपको क्वेश्चन गिवन होता है उसी के अंदर आपको 2 मिल जाते हैं. Like abhi here in this figure we have AC is equal to AB. We need to prove triangle ABC, this triangle ABC and triangle ABD. तो 2 एलिमेंट तो हमारे पास रेडीमेड है. विच वन? AC इज इक्वल टू AD, इट इज गिवन. देन AB जो है इट इज बाइसेक्ट एंगल A, सो वी कैन से दिस एंगल 1 इज इक्वल टू एंगल 2, इट इज ऑल्सो गिवन. एंड वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट ओनली 1 एलिमेंट, एंड इट इज ऑल्सो वेरी सिंपल. just read what is given. See, this is side angle. If side angle is given and if you need one more side, you know that we have a criteria side angle side, तो हमको हमारा जो ट्राइंगल्स है वो कॉन्ग्रुएंट प्रूफ हो जाएंगे. अब वो साइड अगर आप देखेंगे, क्योंकि ये एंगल है तो एंगल साइड एंगल शुड बी इंक्लूडेड बिटवीन 2 साइड्स, तो फिर वो ये साइड आती है. इससे हमको एक हिंट मिल जाता है कि हमारी जो थर्ड एलिमेंट होगा वो AB. बट कैन वी राइट AB इज इक्वल टू AB? यस. Why? Because it is a common side. Always keep in your mind any common side and common angle, they always equal. Common है ना वो दोनों में, तो वो तो of course equal होगा. ये AB is equal to AB है तो वो equal होगा ही ना. और एक और चीज़ याद रखिए कि जब भी आपको ट्राइंगल्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट प्रूफ करने होते हैं तो 2 एलिमेंट तो आपको दिए होते हैं, और जो तीसरा एलिमेंट होता है यू विल आइदर गेट इट अ राइट एंगल or maybe a vertically opposite angle or a alternate interior angle or corresponding angle like that or a common angle. बस इन्हीं में से कुछ एक होता है, तो आपके लिए बहुत easy हो जाएगा उसको गेस करना वो एंगल्स को देख कर, क्योंकि आप 6 चैप्टर पढ़ चुके हो. टाइप्स ऑफ एंगल, व्हाट इज वर्टिकली, व्हाट इज अल्टरनेट एंगल, दिस ऑल यू नो वेरी वेल एंड यू कैन आइडेंटिफाई वेरी easily. Okay, so here you will write and how to write it. अब इसको सॉल्व करने का एक पर्टिकुलर वे है दैट यू हैव टू फॉलो. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू राइट कि विच ट्राइंगल्स यू नीड टू प्रूव. आपको कौन से ट्राइंगल प्रूव करने हैं? यू नीड टू प्रूव ट्राइंगल ABC एंड ABD. सो यू हैव टू राइट इन ट्राइंगल ABC and in triangle ABD. Okay, now we have first element AC is equal to AD and write in bracket reason given. It is very very compulsory to write it. Your presentation matters. You have to write it ABC in triangle ABD, AC equal to AD. You cannot write anything like that. Why we are writing? Because it is given. The reason is very very important. Then what is the next element? Here angle 1 is equal to angle 2. You can write angle 1 and angle 2, not an issue. अगर आप यहाँ फिगर बना के angle 1 और angle 2 लिखते हैं तो. Otherwise you can write angle CAB is equal to DAB. That can also do. Okay. Now give the reason why you are writing. Because AB bisect angle A. Reason is very very important. I am repeating it again and again. Third is AB is equal to AB. Third element is AB is equal to AB, and what is the reason? It is common side. Okay, have you got the 3 element? Yes. Now you can write triangle. Therefore triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD, and write the criteria. By which criteria? Side angle side congruence rule. That's all. ऑल राइट, हो गया प्रूफ. एक चीज और उन्होंने क्वेश्चन में पूछी है कि व्हाट कैन यू से अबाउट BC एंड BD. व्हाट कैन यू से अबाउट BC एंड BD? कैन यू सी दिस BC एंड BD? व्हाट कैन यू से अबाउट BC एंड BD? क्या हो सकता है BC और BD? as I had already explained you in my introduction video, कि if the two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding parts are also equal by the rule CP/CT. So what can you say about BC and BD? This implies that BC is equal to BD by CP/CT, corresponding parts of congruent triangle. Start question number 2. Question number 2 is ABCD is a quadrilateral. This is ABCD. It is a quadrilateral in which AD equal to BC. In which this AD equal to BC. It's always advisable कि जो भी given है आप उसको mark करते चलो. Okay, whenever you read the question, mark the given. Draw the diagram and mark the given. And angle DAB means this angle. Okay. is equal to angle CBA. ये वाला एंगल भी इक्वल है. And we need to prove that triangle ABD. Can you see the triangle ABD? Yes, this triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC. ये triangle BAC के congruent proof करना है हमें. Then we have to show that BD is equal to this BD equal to AC and angle ABD is equal to angle BAC. All right, that we will look afterward. Second और third बात में देखते हैं. First we need to prove triangles ABD and congruent to triangle BAC. पहले हमें ये दो triangle congruent proof करने हैं. And as you know that we need a 3 element. Out of that 3 elements, as I told you in my previous question only, कि you will get given from the 2 element you will get from the given. So see, in the given it is given कि AB is equal to AD. ये आपको given ही है. उसके बाद आपको दिया है कि एंगल DAB, मतलब ये वाला एलिमेंट भी आपको मिल गया. DAB इक्वल टू CBA, ये दूसरा एलिमेंट मिल गया. सो यू कैन अप्लाई द क्राइटेरिया साइड, एंगल एंड साइड. यस, साइड, एंगल, साइड. तो साइड मस्ट बी AB, राइट? एंड वाई AB? तो लुक एट द ट्राइंगल्स. ट्राइंगल्स आर ABD में AB है and CBA में भी AB है, which is common side in both the triangles, isn't it? So the triangles are congruent by side, angle, side. Let's start proving. So first of all you will write the name of the triangle. In triangle ABD and triangle BAC, first of all you will write the given side AD is equal to BC and write the reason given. Then angle which is given, angle DAB is equal to angle CBA. This is also given. And third element is AB is equal to AB, which is common side. Now, therefore, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC by which criteria? Side, angle, side congruence criteria. Okay, now that's all about the first part. Isn't it very simple? Second part, why BD equal to AC? Can we say BD is equal to AC? Yes, BD is equal to AC. Why? By the rule CP/CT, congruence part of congruent, corresponding parts of congruent triangle. So now you can write BD is equal to AC. Why? By CP/CT. Also, third part, your third part is एंगल ABD. एंगल ABD ये है B वाला, ABD मतलब इतना पोर्शन इज इक्वल टू एंगल BAC ये वाला पार्ट. Yes, they are also the parts of the same triangles ABD and BAC. So you can also write angle ABD is equal to angle BAC. The same reason by CP/CT. That's all.